system. This is our go-to system for any sort of ground control, especially when we have to bring someone off away from the structure. Okay, so just looking at the system, it's very simple, and that's one of the beauties of it. So we start off, it's a ground control, so we have our ground control anchor over there. We have a truck that's locked down, tagged down. Then we have both our lines going straight up, and the two change direction pulleys up top, up on the tower, and then they come back down onto our victim. And this is what makes the skate block system, is these two pulleys on here skating down these lines. Okay, so we choose to use two separate pulleys in our system. We've just found that it operates better and smoother than having a double sheet pulley. If you have a double sheet pulley, it does operate, but you have to have another jumper because you have one becket for one point of contact. It also, the two single ones also give us a little bit more play in the lines. So again, it makes our rigging a little bit easier. We have both of our lines dead-ended into the pulleys with two scaffold knots set before we go up. Then we have two jumpers. We have two shorty jumpers in here. One reason is to take any twists out again for rigging ease, and then the other reason is for our victim to keep him a little bit away from the pulleys as he's coming down. Then we have two carabiners going into his sternal D-ring for his 2 points of connection into his harness. Okay. This whole system, the beauty of it is it's all set up prior to going up, and this is what we found is the easiest thing we could possibly set up. Is our rescuer, when he went up, he could double clip both carry both ropes up with him. This is already set up, so all he has to do is anchor off both anchors up top, come down, clip into this guy's point of connection, and he's good to go. And that's all it is, and everything else is down on the ground down here. Okay. When we look up at our system, you can see right now we're up at about 180 feet, and it varies on rope, it varies on pulleys, it also varies on the weight of the applied load, the victim, if you have two victims on there, a victim and a rescuer or not, how far you're going to come away from the structure. Okay, so right now we're probably about 60 to 70 feet away from the structure, and he's about 180 feet at our anchor. So that's what we found, is around that 1/3 or so of the height of where your anchors are at is where you're going to come away from the structure.